my channel. If you're new, my name is Faith. Thank you very much for being here. I am doing a little weekend vlog sort of thing for you guys. Yes, I'm at a red light at any second. I'm sure I'm gonna have to put the camera down. Hold on. I just got home. I'm gonna give Kip a walk, and then Nick and I are gonna go out for a drink and maybe like some light snacks or something with my family. Make sure you guys like thumbs up this video or comment down below to let me know if you like the vlog, because I was really debating on whether to even do this or not. It is different for my channel. Most of my videos, if you are new and didn't know, they're makeup, beauty related, like very set up type videos. They're not like vlog type videos. So I will determine based on the number of likes and comments and engagement whether or not to continue with these. So if you do enjoy this, make sure you let me know in some way. Go sit on your mat if you want dinner. He's a good boy. No! You're gonna go on a walk? You're gonna go? Hi. I don't know if any of you guys have dogs as well, but my dog is a sniffer. Just loves to sniff every little piece of grass. Kip, those are mean doggies. Oh, they're way over there. Say hi to the vlog.
What's up? Florence. Literally, we didn't have anything scheduled all day. We could go.
That is good.
Get your drinks up there.
Oh, good drop, Mom. Cut into that, baby.
Leave the gun, take the
Oh,
leave the
yeah. I love my baby. Come here. The basketball game zone. Terrible lighting. We just got back from dinner and drinks with my family. So to take my makeup off, I just use these makeup removers from Neutrogena. These are the fragrance-free ones. And then for face wash, I've been using the Purity or Philosophy brand Purity cleanser. And then sometimes I will exfoliate with their micro delivery exfoliating face wash. I like them so far. I think I still like my Clinique one more, but don't you love the like face wash commercials where they like wash their face and then they just take water and they just go, it's never that easy. Ah! Good morning, guys. I am going to pick up my mom. We're going to get a pedicure. So I'm just going to pick her up, but first I'm stopping at not my best angle, but yeah, I'm going to get a Starbucks for us. I'm picking her up and then we're going to get a pedicure. Okay. Mom, the Starbucks in Target isn't open. Can you make me a coffee? Because I might die. Thank you. I need to get like a little thingy that holds this. It said that the Starbucks would be open at 7 because our pedicure is at 8. Our pedicure is so early. It's the only time they could fit us in, so it's like super early right now. But it said it would be open and it's not open, so it's okay. Tino, hi.
I'm really started as a wall down.
The girl that did my pedicure did so good. And there's my mama.
Look at them. That one over there is gorgeous too.
Oh, roses. This is my parents' house where I grew up. Well, actually, I grew up in a different house and we moved when I was 9. We just got her this new patio set for Mother's Day. How pretty. Her little herb garden. She's such a good gardener. Bumblebee, do your thing. That bumblebee is getting it on. I had to stop in Rite Aid and I wanted to check out the makeup section, and I didn't realize they have like a whole Koki section. I've never tried this makeup, but I've seen it all over Instagram. Let me know if you guys have tried anything, and I would definitely do a review or something, or just try it out. I am back home now. I'm going to make a little breakfast because I didn't eat yet, and then I have a couple videos I want to film today. I'm not sure. I have like 3 different videos I want to film. I'm not sure I'm going to get them all in, but we will see. I'm going to have a nutritious breakfast. Smile. I'm having some coffee with my eggs. I just wanted to show you guys the creamer I use because I don't know if any of you guys are lactose intolerant, but I am, and so this is the best creamer. It's so creamy. It doesn't have like a weird nutty taste like a lot of almond milk creamers or just general almond milk does. This is the So Delicious coconut milk creamer, and this is the French vanilla one. They also have a hazelnut one that I really like as well. Look at these eggs. Beautiful. Look at the yolk. Beautiful. That is what I'm talking about. Bam! I thought I'd open up some PR packages that I got. I thought about doing like a full video on like what a small YouTuber gets in PR, but I don't know. It just, I don't know. I don't know. Let me know if you'd want to see those. I just didn't know if it was like something you'd want to see, but I thought adding it into the vlog would be cool. So I've got my knife and we're gonna open some stuff. I don't have like too much, so this shouldn't take too long, but I just have to open this stuff. This is from TeamiBlends. They're like the ones that do the tea that like all the celebrities or like Instagrammers promote their tea, but they came out with, I think this is like some skincare, and they wanted to send it to me. So this is their Detox Mask Green Tea Blend Matcha Lemongrass Clay Mask. Just put it on your skin and let it sit there for like 10 to 15 minutes. Ooh, that is thick. I think they did give me like a discount code. I think a lot of these places gave me discount codes, so I'll just list all the discount codes for this stuff below. Okay, this is cool. This actually anybody can receive in the mail. It's not like you have to have an Instagram following or like YouTube account or anything. This is from PinchMe, and this is like a box full of all different stuff, not just makeup. There's like skincare, like lotions, even like food. I again will put all their stuff down below, but they sent me a monthly box that typically someone would receive because it's like a monthly subscription box, except for it's completely free. Like anybody can get this, you just have to sign up. No credit card required, and shipping is free on every box. You get a variety of free samples. Sometimes you can choose your samples. Yeah, it seems pretty cool. So let's see what's included. They did mention that the box they were sending me has a little bit more stuff in it than an average box, just because they want me to be able to show you guys what you might expect. So just keep that in mind. So first thing I see is this Biore limited edition deep cleansing pore strip. It's like a floral print instead of just like the regular black or white. I also got this from Biore. This is their baking soda acne cleansing foam. So it's like a whole thing of face wash. So that's not even like a sample, it's a whole thing. That's really cool. I can't believe this is free to like anybody. That's crazy. You don't even have to, a lot of times like when it's free, then you're obligated to write a review on the product or something, or like post about it, and you don't have to do that. This is random. I do have some food items, some Skittles and Hunger Control Slim Fast cookie. I also got something from Dove. This is a sample of their new exfoliating body polish, Eva NYC. I've never heard of this, Eva NYC. So there's a shampoo, a hair mask, and then a Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. It's like an argan oil primer for your hair. Mist through damp hair prior to blow drying. Cool, I can't wait to try that. My hair has been kind of tangly lately and I'm not really sure why. Okay, and the last thing is this toothpaste. This is Dr. Sheffield's natural toothpaste. No artificial preservatives, no artificial colors, no fluoride, natural peppermint. So yeah, that is from PinchMe. Gerard Cosmetics. It's a Slay All Day setting spray. Yay, I've wanted this for so long. Ooh, I'm excited to try that. I love trying new setting sprays. Thank you, Gerard Cosmetics. Next up, I want to show you guys a bunch of stuff that I get from a online platform program thing called Octoly. If you guys have your own YouTube channel, you probably already know about Octoly, but if you don't, Octoly is basically like a hub for small influencers to get sent products to review. And so Octoly has a lot of really good brand name products that you can pick from in their free store, but then you are obligated to do a review. It doesn't have to be a positive review, you're just obligated to do a review. Oh yay. Okay, like this is seriously good stuff you can get, guys. I got 2 Lancome mascaras. I got the Defenicils one. It's like one of their really popular ones. This one here. And then I think this is their primer. It's their mascara booster. So you put this on before. Okay, I also got something from Glossier. I am a Glossier rep, so every month I get to pick out a couple things to be sent. And I picked up the new Lash Slick mascara. I love the pretty pink packaging. And then I also got their Wowder powder. It's like a setting powder. So I got it in light medium. I also got sent a package from Carity. It looks like a ton of lippies. I think they came out with like a new lip line. So let's see, what are these? These are their Lips on Lock. I'll do a swatch of this one. This shade is called Kiera. Oh yeah, I really like that. I don't know if it'll dry down at all, but right now it's kind of shiny. These are all the colors. This is called Faded Out. Ooh. Let me do one more. This is called Tea Leaves. That's pretty. Maybe I'll give a few of these away in my next giveaway if I don't get around to trying them all. There's no way I need all of them, you know? It's so nice to be sent them all in PR, and it is cool to maybe do like a video of all of them, but at the same time, then if I'm just using them for the video, I feel like they go to waste because there's probably only 2 or 3 colors that I would use on a daily basis, and I would want to be able to give away the rest. But if I swatch them all, I'm not going to give away a swatched product, you know what I mean? So cool. Thank you, Carity, for sending that to me. Soufeel. Oh, they sent me a Faith necklace. I kind of forgot about this. How cute. They do custom necklaces like with your name. So if you ever wanted a necklace, like a nameplate necklace, they do that. I love that. I will link their website down below. Okay, I have one more. This is from Iris Beauty. Oh, magnetic eyelashes. A ton of you guys have been asking me about magnetic eyelashes, and I kind of feel like I'm not a huge fan of them. However, I haven't tried them for myself. I've only just seen like videos where people are like, these don't work, blah, 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 but maybe these will. These are from Iris Beauty again. Let me know if you want like a dedicated review video on these. So this is like magnetic, so they kind of just stick right back in there. Oh! Update, these do dry down matte. So you can see they smeared when they were still setting, but they dry down to a matte finish. So cool. Here's my little filming setup. But yeah, this is my little view. I've got 2 big soft boxes and then my ring light right at my little table. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I just finished filming my videos for the day. I did a little Zaful haul, so that should be going up this week. And Nick and I are gonna go get our rings, our wedding rings, resized. They're kind of small on us. We've both gained a little weight since we've been married. I do have plans for later with some friends, so I will make sure to film a little bit of that for the vlog. How cute is this little bodysuit, little swimsuit? I was super impressed. Be on the lookout for that Zaful haul because this is one of the pieces that I try on. I'm just waiting for Nick. We are going to go to the jeweler to have our rings resized. I probably only need to have it sized up like a half size or maybe a full size. It's just like really tight to get on and off, and his is the same way. So we figured to celebrate our anniversary is coming up next week. To celebrate, we would get them resized, and yeah.
Let's figure out what size you need.
I'm really glad.
It's weird to not have my ring on me though for a few days. Where do you want to sit? She could have met us here.
Wherever.
Nick and I just got back from our jewelry appointment and then we went to a late lunch. Now we're just gonna hang out and then we're gonna go out later with some friends. I put these rings on since I don't have my wedding ring.
Beautiful.
Say hi to the vlog, Bill. This was my first job ever. I worked here as a hostess. Is this chalk?
Yeah.
That is so cool.
Are you vlogging it?
Okay guys, that's it for the vlog. Again, let me know down in the comments if you guys enjoyed this. I love you all so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye.